Hi, I am the moon. I show what drives you, what makes you feel emotionally safe, and what gives you a sense of security. The moon is at home in Cancer, not comfortable in Capricorn, exalted in Taurus, and weakened in Scorpio. The moon shows what you need for emotional security. It reveals what helps you feel safe, comforted, and supported. The house of the moon helps show what makes you emotional, what drives you, what can drive you crazy, and what can play out in relation to your mother.
The moon is what drives us and inspires us to do whatever it is we do. Information comes from the sun, but the moon is the force that drives it, powers it, and personifies its message.
The moon represents our mission and our life purpose. It helps move us toward what we are here to do.
The moon can also show what someone is obsessed with. Its attraction is powerful, always present, and always pulling life forward.
The placement of a person's moon is what drives them, and they will naturally share that moon energy with others.